Hello and welcome to this edition of Fiery Friday. I'm Rob Lienti, Senior Sales Development Manager for EFI's Fiery Business Unit. And today I'm going to show you a new feature in Fiery Impose with Command Workstation 6.6 that allows you to create custom imposition templates specifically for the Duplo DC-618 Slitter Cutter Creaser. In this example, I want to show you the new integration with Fiery Impose and the Duplo DC-618. So normally when you have the Duplo DC-618, this is the interface that you're dealing with. When you go to create new job, you've got to use their tools to lay out an imposition template, and then you need to do the same thing over on the Fiery. Well, many people are used to using Fiery Impose on the Fiery to set up their jobs, so we've created this interface that allows you to create the imposition template on the Fiery and then send that data over to the Duplo to work. So I'm going to show you how this works. So I've opened up Impose, and you're going to see that we have a new Create Layout button here. Now you need Command Workstation 6.6 and a Fiery that is newer than 5 years old to be able to make this work. So if we create new layout, you're going to see this Create Finisher Preset option comes up. So from here, we're going to use these buttons below to toggle through all the options. So the first thing we're going to set up is the barcode number. So I want this barcode number to be, we'll make it 122, and we'll hit the next button. Then it's going to ask if I want to set up my perfs. So I don't need to do anything there. And the third thing we're going to do is our sheet size. So I'm going to come in here and select my sheet size. And you're going to notice that the GUI starts showing you what we're doing as we're doing it. We're going to make this a portrait layout. We're going to include the barcode, so you'll see the barcode appears here. Our finish size is going to be 3.5 by 2. The next area is going to show our row and columns. So again, the Duplo is providing us the information that is available based off of our setup, okay, that will work with their device. So as you can see, now we've got it as a 3/8. We've got a fixed gutter. We'll make that gutter 197 across the board. And as we're adding that, again, you'll notice that the layout offset will change based off of these gutter settings, so it's automatically set up. So when we're all said and done, we can hit next. We can add a crease if we wanted to, okay? Or if we have the perf, we could add perf as well. If we don't want to add any of that, the next thing we're going to do is hit apply and publish. So now it's going to ask us to name the publisher layout. We'll call this 24 up biz cards, like so. And at that point, we hit publish. And when it's all said and done, we come down here, and you'll notice that our 24 up biz card with job number 122 has been sent over to the Duplo. So the last thing you do want to do if you're going to use this application is we want to save this template in the Fiery so you can pull that up when you're printing your business cards. So I'm just going to make this as a repeat so it looks the way it should. And for fun, we'll actually add some printer marks to it. We'll hit print trim marks, put it on the front only, and then you'll see that the trim marks are lining up with the way the Duplo has been set. And then finally, I'll call this template 24 up biz cards. So again, when I go to print a business card, I can pull this template up, hit print, and then once we take the stack of the finished job over to the Duplo, we'll hit the little start button on the Duplo, and this will end up pulling this program up, adjusting all the slitter knives to cut your business cards as desired. I want to thank you for joining me for this edition of Fiery Friday. If you have any questions about the video you saw today, please feel free to reach out to me at rob.lienti@efi.com or message me on LinkedIn. Have a great weekend.